Hey guys, so today I'm going to attempt to do something that I haven't actually seriously attempted to do before, and that's to overdraw my lips. The only time I've ever really done it is when I'm lining my lips and then I accidentally go too far, so then I have to even it out and then it just gets bigger and bigger. But I've been watching a lot of tutorials lately where people are overdrawing their lips rather than going the filler route, which isn't something that is even a concern of mine. I actually quite like my lips. I wish that my top lip was a little bit plumper, but whatever, it is what it is. So today I'm going to try to overdraw them and see if I can make it look kind of natural. I've picked up a few little tips along the way and held on to them in my brain, and now I'm going to try to execute them. So I'm going to take a nude lip liner. I don't know what brand this is. It's in the shade Toast. I want to say it's Maybelline or something. It could be Avon. It could be Avon, actually. I'm not sure. But I'm going to take this, and we're going to worry about our bottom lip first, because I think that seems kind of the easier, less intimidating route. So we're going to go underneath, but then as you come up to the corners of the mouth, that's when you come in back to your natural lip line, or just a little bit outside your natural lip line. If you start to go wide, it's just gonna look unnatural right away. And then same with when I attempt the top lip, you go above the cupid's bow, but don't round them out big like that. So above the cupid's bow, and then as you come back down and on where your natural lip line is. So you can see I'm starting pretty low on my underneath my lip. I don't want to make it so dramatic that you look at me and you're like, ooh girl, no. So now it's the tough part, the top lip. I had to look into the magnified part of my makeup mirror in order to do that, and I had to get real close. So I drew quite a bit over my top lip. I came down pretty sharply though. I think maybe I need to go out a little bit further just to even it out to come meet the bottom part. So I just extended the lines out from, I had it kind of drawn a little bit too sharp, and then it didn't look like my top and bottom lip matched. So what I'm going to do now is actually just fill in almost my whole lip with the lip liner. So now I'm going to go in with a nude lipstick. It's going to be lighter than the lip liner. I don't want it to be so light that I have Pamela Anderson lips. I want it to be, I have these two. I think I'm going to go with this one. This one with the lip liner I chose, it might be too big of a difference. I might actually put this one and then put this one here. So it's kind of highlighting and contouring. Well, really it's just lip contouring. So you want to have the darker part where it's further back, and then have a little bit of a lighter color in the center, because then it makes it look like that part's just really juicy. So I'm going to go in with, this is YSL, so Yves Saint Laurent, and this is in, I don't know, shade 70. So already I think that my lips look pretty plump, but not in an unnatural way. I actually really like it. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is take that even lighter shade, and this is Peach Buff. This is the Maybelline matte lipstick collection. I have a couple of these and I really like them. Okay, so I'm going to plot this lighter color in the center, kind of dab it on. So those are my overdrawn plump lips. Now if you really want to make them extra juicy, go with some gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And rather than glossing your whole lip, just kind of put a little bit on the top and the bottom in the center. And now they are ultra juicy and ultra plump. I'm gonna insert a before and after picture so you can see the difference. Okay, so I've wiped off the lipstick. I still have my lip liner on. I've decided, just for fun while we're here, I'm gonna try to do kind of like an extreme version and see if it still looks natural or not. Okay, so I just took the liner that I had already put on and I just drew outside that, like, so I've like doubled the distance outside. I mean, right now it just kind of looks like I have lip liner around my lips, but I think once I put the lipstick on, it might actually look okay. So another tip is make sure your lip pencil's sharp. I really like it. Okay, so a nude is probably easier than a darker color. Maybe not. Maybe it's just as easy with a bright color. Not venturing there today, but maybe I will in the future. And you want to go below and above and make it higher, but then, and just like a little bit wider. You don't want to go like full on like, you don't want your lip shape to look unnatural. So as you come in, you always want to meet back with your natural lip line. Your darkest color would be your lip liner, and then not too drastic of a difference between the shade of your lipstick and your lip liner, unless you really like that kind of look. And then you would have another light color right in the middle, and then to really make it look juicy, a nice nude gloss, and bada bing bada boom, there you go. Those are my tricks and tips for big, luscious lips.